Hey, what's up guys, this is me Shreyas and today I'm gonna teach you how to make vector arts like this. Then without wasting any time, let's go.
So many pieces all back together now. What's your vision?
First you go to your Chrome browser, then search the Mydp.cf. A picture has been arrived over here. You get so many types of options. This is the hair option. You can change the hairstyle of the art. You can make them blurred also. Then here the option of phone. You get so many types of phone over here: Excel, Flash, Xperia M2, Nexus 6, Nexus 5X. A number of phones are here: Xiaomi, Honor Oli, HTC, Focus, Intex, iPhone also here there. See, this is I just kept here the iPhone 5, Lenovo K-Phone Note. I just kept here the Lenovo K-Phone Note, and here the glasses are also available. Only two glasses are available, this and this. And you can change here the color of the t-shirt also. I'll change color of the t-shirt. Sorry guys. Color of the t-shirt also. I'll change it to this color. As you can see, it's changed. And you can change the color of the headphone also. I'll change it to white. You can change the color of the glasses also. I'll change into this neon color. See, so many colors are. You cannot change. You can change the color of watch also. You cannot change the color of the phone. And you get braid also. You can put braid also. So many types of braid. I will not put here the braid. And that's all. After that, you just go swipe down and save image over here, and it will download the image. After that, you can open it and see in your gallery. As you can see, I have made the image. This image clarity is nice. It's a nice website to make vector arts and make your profile picture like this. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.